3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's looking so amazing. I am a total fan of this activity. Hello, honeys and daddies. It's me, Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own lava lamp. You're going to have a fantastic time with your little one. So here's what we need. Some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. We are using coconut oil. Then you will need a transparent glass or a small transparent glass jar and some baking soda. I have at least filled 1/4 of the glass with baking soda. And this last one, it's my absolute favorite. You're going to need a solution of vinegar and food coloring as well as a dropper. And this is what we will give to our tiny tot. So, first we take a glass, we put baking soda inside it, and then we are going to fill the glass up with some oil. You'll have to add a generous amount of oil to this, okay? Let's get started. When your solution of oil and baking soda is ready, you're going to call your tiny tot and give them this mixture of vinegar and food coloring along with the dropper. All they have to do is drop the food coloring into the solution. Slowly, you will notice that the food coloring is settling down to the bottom of the oil and the vinegar is going to start reacting with the baking soda and it's going to make such beautiful, mesmerizing bubbles. Do you see that? It's starting. You can add so many droplets. You can keep going on and on and on until the baking soda keeps reacting with the vinegar. Your tiny tot is going to be an absolute fan of this activity. I guarantee you it's going to be a hit at your bowl. If you want to make this even more magical, you are going to use the flashlight on your phone and switch off all the lights in the room. It's going to create a breathtaking effect. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's looking so amazing. I am a total fan of this activity. We hope you try this activity very soon. Don't forget to share your experience with us in the comment section below. And as usual, happy learning!